All right. Hello, salty friends, and welcome to another episode of Alabama Salty Adventures. We're going to do an unboxing. So I've been privileged enough to reach a partnership with a company called Sponsor Buzz, and they send me some products as a sponsor and that I can use and review. So this is the first package. So we'll see what they sent us. All right. And it looks like we have a 7-inch sword fillet knife. Very excited about this. I've heard very good things about these. And you all know that the key to getting a good fillet and not hurting yourself mainly is a nice sharp knife. So hopefully this will be exactly what we want. If I can open it up, obviously this knife's not very sharp. All right, Anya's helping us. All right, let's take, hi Ozzy. Ozzy's gonna help us as well. I don't know if you can see him in the photo or not. There we go. Comes a nice, looks like a Kydex sheath. Blade. Yes, that's very nice and sharp already. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get a catch clean and cooked done here in the next day or so that I'm finally off. I can go get some fish.